Hey, so does Square integrate with QuickBooks Online? Now, the answer is yes, and there's a really cool connector app that can help you integrate between the two. It's called Link My Books, and in the description, you're going to find a free trial of Link My Books, special link, along with free onboarding and the best coupon code to save money on Link My Books, plus tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of Link My Books. Now, Square integration, Link My Books can help you sync Square payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, offering a clear breakdown of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So Link My Books is like accounting and bookkeeping software. So accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, and built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Again, check out free trial, free onboarding link in the description with the best discount. There are other integrations as well, except from Square. So Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, and Square, as mentioned previously. Now, another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. So if you're an e-commerce seller, then there's a video that shows you from A to Z how to make the most out of Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. So this is a 30-minute tutorial with myself. Great to meet you, Vova Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, who's the co-founder of Link My Books. In this 30-minute tutorial, we show you how to make the most out of Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. Now, if you're an accountant and bookkeeper and you're looking to grow your accountancy business, have less errors in your practice, and hopefully save some time, hopefully make even more money, because by saving time, by having less errors, you'll be able to onboard more clients, hopefully. So if you're an accountant or bookkeeper, there's a video in the description, also with myself, of Evan, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books, where we show you how to use Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. It's a 41-minute video, and there we go deep into how to make the most out of Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. So again, down in the description, check out the link to Link My Books. It can help you integrate Square and QuickBooks Online. Check out free trial, free onboarding, best discount, and all the tutorial videos to help you make the most out of Link My Books. And I'm wishing you a happy day today. Have a great one. Thank you.